Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. When it comes to choosing the right haircut for your face, there are a large number of factors which can determine it. But the most important factor while choosing the right haircut is your face shape. Different hairstyles suits different face shape better. So make sure that you know your face shape before you go and have your next haircut. For that you don't need to worry because today I am going to tell you how you can find the right hairstyle for your face shape. Before that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Daksh. And here on this channel, we talk a lot about men's hair, fashion, grooming, fitness and a lot more. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button down below and join our YouTube family. Now the first thing you need to do to find your face shape is taking the measurements of your face. First of all, measure how long is your face. Start measuring from the tip of your hairline to the bottom of your chin. The second thing you need to measure is how wide is your forehead. For that you need to measure the ends of the widest part of your forehead. The next thing you need to measure is how wide are your cheekbones. Start measuring from the pointiest part below your eye to your opposite side. Last thing you need to measure is your jawline. Start measuring from below your ear to the tip of your chin and double it for the opposite side. So as you have taken your face measurements, now time is to compare them with the different face shapes and find which one is yours. Men's mainly have 6 types of face shape: round, oval, rectangular, square, triangle and the diamond. First of all, we are going to talk about is the oval face shape. With balanced characteristics, this face shape has been considered the most ideal face shape because it contains neutral composition and a lack of dominant features, which allows for a greater versatility in styling the hairstyles. In this face shape, your face length is longer than width of your cheekbone and the width of your forehead is longer than your jawline. The chin and the jawline are impronounced and have a slightly roundness to them, which forms an oval shape. Talking about the hairstyles, you can go for something like a pushed back look or something which is a bit shorter on the side and a bit longer on the top, which will enhance your already good face shape. Do not go for a fringe or any hair falling on your forehead. It will make length of the face shorter and will give you a more rounder effect. Now, talking about the round face shape, you can recognize this one if your face length is equal to the width of your cheekbones. For this one, you can have slightly tight fade and a bit longer on the top to create some angles and to reduce the roundness of the face. Now talking about the triangular face shape, this is when your jawline is wider than your cheekbones and your forehead, forming a triangle. Here you can go for slightly longer to medium hair on the top and a bit grown out sides so that you can even out your narrow forehead and making it look more symmetrical. Moving over to the rectangular face shape, this is when the length of your face is longer than the equal widths of your forehead, cheekbones and jaw, forming a rectangle. So don't go for voluminized haircuts because it will make your face look more elongated. Instead, you should go for something which is like a fringe or a scissor cut, which will balance your elongated face and make it look a bit shorter. Now talking about a little similar face shape, the square one. You can recognize this one if your face length is equal to the width and you are likely to have straighter cheeks with a strong and a broader chin. The guys having a square face shape are more likely to have a chiseled jaw, which makes their face more masculine and stronger. Now talking about the hairstyle, you can go for anything like a fade or an undercut with any length on the top. One thing you should avoid is that you should not have length on the sides, which will make your face look more wider and broader. So instead go for like fades which will enhance your face shape. The last face shape we are going to talk about is the diamond face shape. This is a very rare and a masculine face shape. You are going to have this one when your face length is the longest, followed by your cheekbones, forehead and the jaw. You are likely to have stronger cheekbones with a long tapering jawline. With already strong cheekbones, the objective here is to balance the overall structure by adding build to the narrow forehead and the chin. By adding volume on the top, you can balance the proportions and avoid having the shorter side because it will make your ears pop out more. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any suggestions for the upcoming video, write it down in the comment section down below. If you gained some value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for a lot of good content ahead.